Well, we're an over-60s walking football club in North Wales. We have a little fame because we have a young lad that plays in goal with us called Alan Camsell. He's 92, I believe, and he still plays in goal for us, and he dives about, which most of us 60, 70-year-olds won't do. He's a good example of people of a later age wanting to continue to play football.
I believe I'm the oldest goalkeeper in the world. I've seen videos from Brazil, from Argentina, from South America. I've got friends in Austria who saw me on Russian television. Nobody's written in to say, no, I'm older.
He turns up, I would say, nearly every week. Only if he's on holiday does he not come. Rain, cold, shine, whatever, snow. He's always here. Yeah, good lad he is.
Didn't start playing football till I was turned 40. And the difference, finding a group of fellas that I can talk with and meet up with, it's made a terrific difference. I think playing with younger people has helped me to stay younger. I was born into a family of parents who had shops, and Saturday was always the busiest day, and so I had to be up at 8 o'clock for working in the shops, and 7 o'clock close. And on those days, Saturday was the only sports day. It wasn't until I changed trades and came over here that I was free on a Saturday and started to join sport, and I'm still catching up.
And what do your friends and family all make of this?
I don't make anything of it. I just want to turn up for the next week.
Dwi'n meddwl mae yna 20 o ni yn y clwb a mae'n bwysig I bob un o ni yn ffordd. I rei mae'n cymuned, I rei o ni mae'n exercise, I rei o ni fel fi mae'n y ddau chwarae a gael cwmni a wneud ffrindiau. Dwi'n dros 70 a dwi'n edrych wneud ffrindiau newydd. Os da chi wedi chwarae ffwtbol unrhyw adag yn eich bwyd, jyst dewch I rhywbeth o walking football yn rhywle. Gawch chi croeso mawr yna.
It's very different to playing proper football because in proper football you play in front of the player and the player runs onto the ball. Can't do that here. It's got to be 2 feet. So, you know, you have to be a lot more accurate in your passing and what you do. You've got to think a lot more as well. A lot more movement off the ball because you're trying to get away from the player that's marking you. You know, so it's good fun. It is really good fun.
Well, according to the rules, it should be 1 foot on the ground at least, so that you're not actually running, you're actually walking. It's a difficult one, and everybody sees it totally different. Out there, you get told, he's running, and I go, well, he's not, and then, yes, he is, and then he's not. And everybody's a referee, as you know, in normal football. So it's one of those things where it's a very difficult thing to judge.
I joined them for mental health, joined them because I was a bit down at the time, and thoroughly enjoyed the companionship and thoroughly enjoyed playing with them. And obviously when I found out I was moving down here, I did some research and found the Strollers and got a free transfer.
I always played football as Sunday League football, and come the age of 40, I just started being ill, tired, exhausted, couldn't understand what it was. I thought it was old age, funnily enough, so I stopped playing, but then I discovered I got kidney failure. When I had my kidney transplant, the first thing I wanted to do was play football again. So it took me about 3 years to get fit and well after being on dialysis, and came to this club in Wales, and they welcomed me. Don't even know I've probably got a transplant half the time. I just play like a normal person, which is the benefit of organ donation, really.
If you enjoy playing football, but you don't think you're fit enough, come and try it. That's what it's all about. Give it a go. That's what I say.